How to change search engine from Yahoo to Google on Chrome. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Chrome browser. Then go to the top right corner and tap on the three dot line. After that, go to settings. Here you will see in this basic section search engine. Simply tap on it. Now, as you can see, it is now currently switched to yahoo.com. Simply tap on google.com and switch it to Google from Yahoo. And now, when you go to any of the searches, it will be converted into a Google search and not Yahoo search. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.